Hi, I'm Therese, and today I'm going to be showing you one of the biggest innovations in fridges. LG has developed a double-layer door system. LG call this innovation the door-in-door. This new door means that I can easily access the foods I use the most from this sleek fridge, be it day-to-day or entertaining essentials. So you get greater accessibility and more usable space. And if that wasn't enough, because you can access these things without opening the main fridge, you reduce the cold air loss as well by up to 41%. So if you're looking for a fridge with smart access and smart design, check out LG's side-by-side models. Bye for now.